everyone. So today myself and Joe are up bright and early. It's currently 5:30 and we're ready to go to CORON. Flight's not till 9 o'clock, but we have been warned that we better be safe than sorry going to the airport. But before we leave, just going to do a quick room tour of this Airbnb because it's been absolutely wicked. It's my friend Karen's. I'm going to link it in the description below. Really well placed, so check it out. As you walk in, you've got a nice little kitchen with all the amenities. We didn't really use them, but if you're here for a while, excellent. Pretty standard bathroom for an apartment. Now, one thing I will say, that shower is very powerful, very warm. Anyone who's been to a hot country would appreciate the fact you need a good shower. Little seating area. What are we saying, Joe? What do we think?
Really good. Awesome little room.
Someone's a little sleepy. Yeah. Nice little lounge area. I believe it does come out into a bit of a bed. Not 100% certain on that. Very comfortable, nice for chilling on. Nice big comfy bed. Bit of aircon, the most important thing in any hotel room or Airbnb in the Far East. Nice big telly. I was really impressed with the surround sound system she's got in here. Absolutely wicked, sounds amazing. But my absolutely favourite part of this apartment is the balcony. Come and have a quick look. It looks spectacular at night. Just look at that. The sights and sounds of a typical city in the Far East. I have to say, Manila has very much impressed me. The skyline coming up is beautiful. Right. We're in a bit of a hurry now to get to the airport to make sure we do not miss this flight. We'll catch you at the airport. Very small but very busy terminal. Little airport update. We went to the wrong terminal when we googled Cebu Pacific Airways. It's at Terminal 3, but the domestic stuff comes from Terminal 4. Joe gets a little bit panicky, as she normally does, but got here in plenty of time. But this terminal, there's nothing to it. There's a couple of little coffee shops, a little shop, and it's absolutely packed. I'm assuming that's because of the time of year. Panic over, we were here for about an hour and a half, then we will board our flight to CORON. After a couple of hours waiting in the airport, we're finally en route to the plane now. It looks like it's a propeller plane, so that's pretty cool. So I'm quite looking forward to it.
Hi, welcome aboard.
Hello. Oh my god, I'm too tall. What do you reckon, Joe?
The plane is so small. About you.
We have now arrived on the main island of CORON. Check out the plane that we've just flown on. I have to say, Cebu Pacific, what an amazing airline. All the staff wear jeans and a hat and just a yellow shirt. Really, really cool. Loved it. That was a pretty pain-free flight. Must admit, I did like the propeller plane. That was kind of cool. It was pretty smooth, wasn't it, really? I was a little bit shocked about that. We've literally just jumped in the bus that takes us back to our hotel. So we're going to head there, drop off the bags, and then we're going to take it from there. Right, we've arrived in CORON. It's very, very hot. Unfortunately, our room wasn't ready, so we weren't able to kind of dump our bags or anything. So we've literally popped down to the old town. We're going to get a little bit of lunch. We're going to head back to the hotel. Hope our room is available in about an hour. Then get changed and then kind of probably get a motorbike and explore CORON. Just sat here in this little grill restaurant. We just ordered some food. I've ordered a sisig chicken and Joe's gone for a chicken curry, both local Filipino dishes. Have a look at this food, it looks amazing. Joe's gone for a local curry. How's the curry?
Very good.
Very good. And I've gone for some traditional Sicilian chicken with some rice. This chicken's absolutely beautiful. It's kind of skewered and then been shredded or diced with like a spicy mayo and sticky rice. Absolutely beautiful. Paid 20 pesos for this bad boy from centre of town. Fingers crossed our room is ready. Room's not ready yet. So we got our room after about 20 minutes of waiting, which was quite nice. We've just had a little half-hour nap. It's been a long day travelling. Didn't sleep too well last night because we had to be up early and do too many drinks. So we're literally just going to wander down into the town now. Try not to get run over. We're going to wander down into the town. There's not really any beaches in Coron. And it's about 2 o'clock in the afternoon now, so we don't really want to get on the motorbike to do that. It's well over an hour to get there, so by the time we get there we'd only have a couple of hours. So what we're going to do is wander down to town, check out what tours are available, book one for tomorrow because we definitely want to get on one, and just kind of relax this afternoon a little bit, probably get ourselves a massage and just kind of take in a bit of sun. It's quite nice. So we've literally just booked our guided tour tomorrow. We've read a lot and seen a lot about it, so we've actually selected our own private boat. It's about an extra 900 pesos each, but it's our boat and they can avoid all the crowds, which at this time of year we're particularly keen to do, so we're quite looking forward to that. Now we're just going to wander around. We're going to try and hire some snorkeling masks and just kind of taking what Coron's got to offer. So we have been wandering the town of Coron. It's a very interesting town, hustling and bustling. Not a great deal is open bar the odd shop and things, and lots of cockerels as you can hear in the background. Basically this is the kind of town you come to if you want to do a day trip to one of the islands or snorkeling. Diving seems to be absolutely huge here, but we've come and sat on this rooftop bar. We're just chillaxing and we're going to watch this beautiful sunset go down. So check this out, it should be absolutely gorgeous. Joe and I have just enjoyed the sunset and a few drinks, mainly a few cocktails. We're now going to kind of end the vlog there. It's been a hell of a travel day, we're a little bit tired, so we're going to go for a little foot massage and then a little bit of dinner and just kind of have a gentle evening this evening. We've got a really good day tomorrow, I'm really excited. Our first proper adventure day since we've been here in the Philippines. We've booked a private tour, not a group tour, guided tour, traditional guided tour I should say, just so everything we've read online says book it yourself and then you can avoid the crowds and you can kind of go the opposite direction. So check out tomorrow, it should be a really good one. I'm really looking forward to this tour around Coron. See you tomorrow.